In this video, I'm going to show you how to add products to your website using the bulk upload feature. So click on the products, click on the import option and click on the download sample CSV. Once you download the sample CSV, you get a file like this. So this is a test file that the Shopify already gives you. Handle is the should be the name of the product, but everything should be in the lowercase and a hyphen should be given instead of a space. So then the body HTML is the product description. Vendor will be your store name, then the product category according to your product, type of the product, and the tag. This tag will be the tag that you want to link it to your collection. So you'll give a collection tag. That particular collection tag must be given to your product. The published will be true. The option, if you have multiple variants, then you'll have to click on the option name. Let's say you have sizes, give this as a size, then you give as XL, small, medium. These are the three sizes that you're giving to this particular product. And make sure the other two lines also have the same handle when you give variants. So let's say if you have another variant apart from the size, let's say color, give this as color. Option value 1 will be, let's say, red, orange and green. So the color red, orange and green will also be shown apart from the size. So you can add multiple options like this, and you give the variant SKU, your SKU number, whatever you prefer. So this would be the weight of the product in grams. Variant inventory tracker can be blank or can be given as Shopify also, but most preferably leave it blank. So everything else you can leave it the way it is. This is the variant price. You can add the variant price and the compared price. The compared price will be the higher price which will be striked off, and variant price will be the selling price that will be shown. So variant requires shipping is true. Variant is taxable. If you are charging taxes, then you keep this true, or else you can keep it as false. So coming to this, you have image source. For this, first you need to go back to your Shopify dashboard, click on content, click on files and add an image. You see, I've already added an image. So when I scroll over the image, I see this link option here. Click on that copy link option, go back to your sheet and you paste it there. So this is the image source. So for different variants, you can add different image codes. So I'll choose another link and I'll add it here. So this is how you add for variants, and you see the image position is also shown. So when you add different images for different variants, you need to change the image position 1, 2 and 3 so that it will show in order in the product page. Then you can also give a SEO title, SEO description and Google shopping tags for your SEO, and you can look at everything else according. If you have all these, you can give, or else you can remove the sections whatever you want, and you can check everything until the last, and you see the status is active, draft and archived here. So I'll show you the difference later. So this is the second product. So let's say we have given example as pants, and example hyphen pants, everything in lowercase here. This is one product. Product description, it's the same thing for this as well. So nothing would change. So just export this to a CSV file, test template. I have exported this into the CSV file. Now I go back to the products, import this, add file, and you see test template here. So I add a test template and I check on publish new products to all sales channels. I click on upload. So it shows what all tabs are there in the product. So you check this. This is just a example of one product. It says all the products are like this, and just click on import. So this might take a while. So, and if sometimes it shows the products are imported successfully, but you might not see the products here, then I suggest you to check your email. So whatever email your uh, Shopify is linked to, go to that email, check it. You might have a message from the Shopify saying why it didn't work out. So here you see, so I've actually added three products, but I haven't received. I mean, there are only two products active here. No, no, actually three are active. So if you see, I've added this example t-shirt. A product description is showing here. Two product links I've given, and size I've given, and the color also. So you also see the size here and the color as well. So this is how you add products to your Shopify using the bulk upload feature. So in the last, I've also told you I'll show you how the draft and archived will work. If you go back to the sheet, and if you remember, I've shown the status active, draft, and archived. So the same thing, active, draft, and archived are shown here. So there's another method if you're using multiple images and no variants. So let's say in this sheet only, I will remove the product with variants. So here you want to add multiple images to one product. So you go to the image section, you see the image source and image position, right? So what you do is add this to the next column. You copy the image source title and image position title accordingly, and let's say here it is 1. So I want to give a second image, so I go back to the Shopify, click on the content option, files, and select the image I want to upload, right? I select the image link, I go back to the product, I give the image source here. Then in the image position, I'll give it as 2. So the similar way, I will add another two rows. Same, give image source, oh, sorry, uh, to after I'll give image source and image position here. So image position will be 3, but the image source, whatever image I choose, will again you have to paste the link here, right? And now let's change the title, this example images. So I also changed this to images, example 1 image. Just naming them so that you would understand. Now I'll just export it into a CSV file and save it. Go back to the products, import the file and upload. Click on import products. So here it's already says this could take some time, and here you see one image and example images option, right? You click on the image, you see these are lined up. Okay, so I'll also show you a preview how it is. So I've given the image 1, image position 2 and image position 3. So the images are positioned like this. So this is how you upload your products in bulk and to your Shopify website.